Receiving whole potatoes is the first step in the process, ensuring freshness from the moment they arrive. Incoming lots are staged to maintain traceability and orderly processing.
Each lot is weighed to confirm delivery quantity and documentation. Each lot is labeled to ensure full traceability through processing.
Visual checks identify defects and overall condition before sampling.
Representative samples are collected for laboratory measurements.
Key parameters are checked to confirm suitability for puree processing.
The audio features a voiceover stating, "Lots are graded against acceptance criteria." This is consistent.
Non-conforming lots are isolated while approved lots proceed.
Approved lots are released in, first out order. Raw material is positioned for controlled unloading into the line. Potatoes are unloaded gently to prevent damage. Feed rate is controlled for consistent downstream washing. Potatoes enter the flume for initial soil removal. Gentle agitation improves cleaning while protecting the raw material. A freshwater rinse removes remaining loosened soil.
Mechanical brushing cleans robust potato skins effectively.
Sanitizer reduces surface microbial load before final rinsing. A final rinse removes sanitizer residues before dewatering. Excess surface water is removed to stabilize handling. Controlled drainage prepares potatoes for inspection. Final visual inspection ensures only clean potatoes proceed.
Automated sorting removes remaining defects consistently. Minor defects are trimmed to protect downstream quality. Skins are removed to meet puree specification. Residual peel fragments are washed away after peeling.
Size reduction prepares potatoes for efficient grinding. Mechanical grinding converts pieces into a pumpable mash.
Pulping further disintegrates potato tissue for separation.
Screening separates smooth puree from fibrous material. Separated solids are transferred to the fiber byproduct line.
Inline sieving protects downstream equipment and quality.
Entrained air is removed to stabilize texture and color. Buffer tanks balance flow before standardization. Excess water is removed from fiber solids. Controlled drying prepares fiber for milling. Dried fiber is milled to a uniform powder. Sifting ensures consistent particle size. Finished fiber powder is packed for byproduct customers. Puree is blended to ensure uniform composition.
Solids are standardized through controlled blending only.
Homogenization improves texture consistency. The product moves toward thermal treatment. Thermal treatment reduces microbial load at a critical control point. Only product meeting heat targets proceeds forward. Rapid cooling stabilizes the product after heat treatment. Product is held under aseptic conditions before filling.
Sterile transfer maintains aseptic integrity to the filler.
Puree is filled into sterile packaging for long shelf life.
Secure seals protect product sterility. Each unit is coded for full traceability. Automatic weighing verifies pack compliance.
Vision inspection confirms seal integrity on every pack.
Finished units are palletized for safe handling. Wrapping secures pallets during storage and transport.
Product is stored under controlled conditions, awaiting dispatch.
Receiving areas are cleaned to maintain hygiene.
Records confirm all quality and safety requirements were met.
Production cycle concludes with controlled shutdown.
Treated water is monitored to meet discharge standards. Utilities stabilize after production demand decreases.
Equipment is inspected to prepare for the next run.
Fiber byproduct is stored separately for shipment. The facility is secured after a complete production cycle.
Raw material consumption is reconciled against production records.
Plant is secured after operations.
Water usage is logged for efficiency and compliance tracking.
Energy data is reviewed to optimize future runs.
Label accuracy is verified for traceability.
Fiber byproduct is prepared for shipment.
Organic waste is sealed for off-site disposal.
Treatment performance is confirmed within limits.
Shipping documents are prepared for byproduct customers. Storage conditions are verified to protect product quality.
Safety systems are reviewed after the production run.
Retention samples are stored for traceability and verification.
Line identification is reset after batch completion.
Production areas are approved clean and secure.
The final product volume clears the buffer tank.
Heat treatment records are checked for compliance.
Aseptic conditions are verified before shutdown.
Finished quantities are reconciled with production output.
The aseptic filler is shut down following validated procedures.
Thermal equipment is isolated for safety after production.
The fiber dryer cools safely after operation.
The production batch is formally closed in the system.
The facility transitions to idle status after production.
Cleaning chemicals are verified and secured.
Waste volume is reduced for efficient transport.
Personnel follow hygiene protocols when exiting the facility.
The plant remains secure between production cycles.
Pre-start inspections confirm readiness for the next production cycle.
Aseptic packs are verified intact during storage.
Pallets are staged for confirmed dispatch. Containers are inspected to protect product integrity.
Finished product is loaded for shipment. Containers are sealed to protect shipment integrity.
Shipping documents are finalized for dispatch.
The shipment departs the facility. The dock is reset for the next operation. The production cycle is complete and ready to repeat.